Hello and welcome my friends to another unboxing video. That's my owner Hima and she doesn't like being recorded. So what do we have here? Cooler Master Masterkeys Pro L mechanical keyboard. Let's see what's inside. We have a keyboard wrapped in black fabric and we have some user manual. Looks pretty good in black. And obviously the braided cable. And now let's look at the keyboard itself. Alright, here it is. This is a mechanical keyboard and comes in 3 different variants: Cherry MX Red, Cherry MX Blue and Cherry MX Brown. The one that I have is Cherry MX Blue. Being a mechanical keyboard, it's slightly on the heavier side, weighing around 1.09 kgs. In the back, we have height adjustment available. This keyboard comes with a detachable cable, and as you can see in the top, there is a line through which you can run through the cable for easier cable management. Alright, let's take the keyboard to our setup. Before we actually see what this keyboard can offer, it's time for some gyan. Alright, what do we have here? Cherry MX Red. It's a linear non-clicky switch with an actuating force of 45 cm. As you can see from the graph, pre-travel is somewhere close to 2 mm with a total travel of 4 mm. This switch is mainly preferred by gamers and night owls who don't want to disturb their family and just don't want the sound. Alright, let's just check out how it sounds. Quiet, is it? Alright, let's see Cherry MX Brown. Well, it's a tactile, non-clicky switch with an actuating force of 55 cN. And from the graph, we can tell that pre-travel is close to, say, again 2 mm with a total travel of 4 mm. This is a switch that I call like a hybrid of red and blue, generally preferred by people who like the tactile feedback but do not want the clicky sound. Alright, let's just check out how it sounds. Well, finally we have Cherry MX Blue. It's a tactile, clicky switch with an actuating force of 60 cN. And as you can see from the graph, pre-travel is close to 2.2 mm with a total travel of 4 mm. This is a very widely used variant because of that lovely clicky feedback, and hence is preferred mostly by people who love to type. Alright, let's just check out how it sounds. Alright. So I've been using this keyboard for more than a week now and it's great. This is a Cherry MX Blue variant because I want them clicky sound while I press the keys. Coming from a membrane keyboard, this experience is just unfathomable. I felt a much more accurate and smoother response, be it quickly resing or switching weapons in a game. The typing experience was absolutely great. But then, there are some issues though. Mainly, unlike other keyboards, say from reputed brands of the likes of Logitech, Razer, etc., this does not have any software to customize. And initially, I almost broke my head trying to set up macros and understand how the functions work. Apart from that, this is pretty good. So all in all, I would like to suggest this keyboard for serious gamers and typing enthusiasts. And as usual, thanks for watching.